Hi, I'm here to look at a 2019 F-150.
Good morning. Welcome. Are you working with anybody in particular?
No.
No, you aren't. Okay. Let me get somebody for you.
Okay.
Okay. And you can have a seat while I get somebody. And there's coffee and water. Please help yourself.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Down there.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Barry.
Nikki, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. What brings you today?
I want to look at a 2019 F-150.
Okay, sure. Let me go find that car for
Okay.
you. If you wait here for a second, and then I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, so here it is, 2019 Ford F-150, 50,000 miles. Once you have a seat in here, we'll get your mirrors adjusted, your seat set up, and we'll take it for a test drive.
Thank you.
So what did you think of the truck?
I really like it.
Awesome, that's good to hear. Is this something that you want to move forward with?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go back inside. We'll get some numbers put together for you, and we'll get you down the road.
Okay, sounds awesome.
And as I was saying, we work with 45 different lenders. If you were to have a seat here, so on here, it's just basic information. And then over here, basic employer information. Signature at the bottom. Okay, Nicole, everything finished here? Okay. So next step here, I'll take this over to my desk manager. We'll submit you to a couple banks, get the best approval for you, and then I'll be right back over with the numbers.
Okay.
In the meantime, here's a little bit about myself. All right, if you have any questions, again, we have the receptionist up front while I'm not
Okay.
here. All right,
Thank you.
All right, Damien, this is Nicole. She's got $5,000 down on a 2019 F-150 out there. Thank you. All right, Nicole, congratulations.
Thank you.
These are what your final numbers look like. I just need a signature down here. Alrighty, so next step here, I'll get it back to finance. Finance managers will print off all the paperwork for you, and then we'll call you back to sign.
Okay.
All right, congratulations again.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, Nicole, Josh is ready for you to sign your paperwork.
Okay.
All right, you want to follow me down the hall here? I'll show you where his office is. All right, so this is Josh's office.
Hi, Josh.
Congratulations.
Josh is
Thank
Nicole.
you.
She's buying a 19 Ford F-150. She's putting $5,000 down and went with ABC Bank.
We'll get all your paperwork done.
All right,
you.
Nicole, we'll see you when you come out, okay?
Thank you.